1. Bones can hear sound. Did you know that your bones are capable of transmitting sound? This fascinating phenomenon, called bone conduction, occurs when sound waves bypass the outer and middle ear and travel directly through the bones in your skull to reach the inner ear. This is how people with hearing impairments can still experience sound using bone conduction devices. It's the same reason why you can hear your voice differently when speaking. It's a mix of sound traveling through the air and vibrations traveling through your bones. Bone conduction technology has also been adapted in headphones, particularly for athletes or individuals who need to remain aware of their surroundings while listening to music. This unique ability highlights how versatile the human body is, providing us with alternative ways to experience the world around us. 2. Your skin talks. Your skin is more than just a protective barrier. It's a dynamic organ constantly communicating with the environment and your internal systems. When you're stressed, for instance, your body releases hormones like cortisol. This, in turn, increases oil production in your skin, leading to acne or other skin issues. Similarly, when you're cold, your skin contracts to retain heat, which causes shivering. Ever noticed your skin flushing when you're embarrassed? That's because your blood vessels widen to allow more blood flow, triggered by your nervous system. Skin also serves as an early warning system for internal health issues. For example, jaundice, which turns your skin yellow, can indicate liver problems. This incredible ability to signal internal and external changes makes the skin a vital part of the body's communication network. 3. The brain feels no pain. The human brain is the control center for processing pain signals from every part of the body, yet it cannot feel pain itself. This is because the brain lacks pain receptors, known as nociceptors, which are present in other tissues. This characteristic is why neurosurgeons can perform brain surgeries on awake patients without causing pain, enabling them to monitor critical functions like speech or motor skills during the procedure. Interestingly, headaches don't come from the brain itself, but from pain sensed by surrounding structures such as blood vessels, nerves, and the muscles in the scalp. The absence of pain receptors in the brain is a double-edged sword. It allows for incredible medical advancements, but also makes brain injuries harder to detect until symptoms appear. 4. Your stomach has a second brain. The gut is often referred to as the second brain because of its complex network of over 100 million neurons, more than the spinal cord. This enteric nervous system operates independently of the brain and is responsible for managing digestion, nutrient absorption, and even gut motility. But the gut's influence extends far beyond digestion. It plays a significant role in emotional regulation. Approximately 90% of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced in the gut. This connection between the gut and the brain, called the gut-brain axis, is why your stomach churns when you're nervous or stressed. Maintaining gut health is crucial for overall well-being, as an unhealthy gut can lead to mood disorders, weakened immunity, and digestive issues. 5. Goosebumps have a purpose. Goosebumps are tiny bumps that appear on your skin when you're cold, scared, or even moved by an emotional experience. This reaction, called piloerection, is a vestige of our evolutionary past. For our ancestors, when body hair stood up due to goosebumps, it created an insulating layer of air, helping to retain heat during cold weather. In situations of fear or threat, raised hair made early humans appear larger and more intimidating to predators. Although modern humans have lost much of their body hair, the reflex remains. Interestingly, goosebumps can also be triggered by powerful emotional experiences, such as listening to music or watching an inspiring movie, highlighting the intricate link between our emotions and physiological responses. Your heartbeat synchronizes with music. The fascinating connection between music and the human body is profound. Research has shown that the rhythm and tempo of the music you listen to can significantly influence your heart rate. For example, slow, calming music tends to slow your heartbeat, lowering stress and inducing a relaxed state, while fast-paced, upbeat music can increase your heart rate and energize you. This synchronization of the heartbeat with music happens because our autonomic nervous system, responsible for involuntary bodily functions, responds to external stimuli like sound and rhythm. This is why music is often used therapeutically in environments like hospitals or therapy sessions to help regulate emotions and reduce anxiety. Music's power to synchronize with our biological rhythms demonstrates the deeply intertwined relationship between our internal and external environments. 7. Your body glows. Every human body emits a faint natural glow, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. This glow is produced by biochemical reactions that occur within the body, but it is so weak that the human eye cannot detect it without special instruments. The glow is primarily due to the production of free radicals, which occur during metabolic processes. While this glow is too faint to see under normal circumstances, it is a curious reminder that we are not just physical beings, but also part of a larger, living network of energy. This phenomenon is not unique to humans. Many living organisms, such as fireflies and certain marine creatures, exhibit bioluminescence in ways that are much more visible. Scientists continue to explore the bioluminescence within humans to better understand its purpose, including its potential role in cellular health and the body's metabolic processes. 8. Your lungs can float. Lungs are the only organs in the human body that have the ability to float on water. This is due to their sponge-like structure and the air trapped within them. In fact, lungs are filled with tiny air sacs known as alveoli, which allow for gas exchange between the blood and the air. These air sacs make the lungs less dense than water, causing them to float when placed in water. The floating property of the lungs has an important forensic application. Pathologists sometimes use it to determine if a baby was born alive or stillborn by observing whether the lungs float in water. The lungs' ability to float is also a testament to their essential role in respiration, enabling us to breathe and maintain life by taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. 9. Your memory is stored in multiple parts. Memory is not confined to a single location in the brain, as once thought. Instead, it is distributed across multiple regions, each playing a specific role in the encoding, storage, and retrieval of information. For example, the hippocampus is essential for forming new memories, while the amygdala plays a key role in storing emotional memories. The neocortex, the outermost layer of the brain, handles long-term storage of facts and events. This distributed storage system allows for greater efficiency and flexibility in how we recall memories. Additionally, the way memories are processed can be influenced by emotions, context, and even the passage of time. The complexity of human memory explains why certain memories can be vivid and emotionally charged, while others fade or become distorted over time. 10. Your DNA can stretch to the sun. If you could unravel all the DNA in your body, it would stretch an astonishing 93 million miles, about the distance from the Earth to the Sun. This incredible feat is possible due to the remarkable length and structure of DNA molecules, which are made up of long chains of nucleotides. Despite being so long, the DNA in each of our cells is tightly coiled and packed into structures called chromosomes. If you were to lay out all the DNA from your body end to end, it would stretch beyond our planet's reach. This serves as a reminder of the complexity of human biology and the immense information stored within our cells. The vast amount of data encoded in your DNA determines everything from your physical characteristics to your predisposition to certain diseases. The more we learn about DNA, the more we realize how it functions like an instruction manual for building and maintaining the human body. Bonus fact: your body contains trillions of microbes. Did you know that your body is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes? In fact, the number of microbial cells in your body can outnumber your own human cells by a ratio of approximately 10 to 1. Most of these microbes live in your gut, where they play a crucial role in digestion, immune function, and even mental health. The community of microbes in your body is collectively known as the microbiome, and it helps break down food, synthesize vitamins, and protect against harmful pathogens. This complex ecosystem is so vital that an imbalance in these microbes can lead to various health problems, from digestive issues to mood disorders like depression. The study of the human microbiome is a rapidly growing field, revealing just how much our health depends on the invisible world within us.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. See you in the next one.